Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, besides a little bit of early morning fog in some places, especially far eastern sections of the viewing area, today should turn out to be a beautiful Black Friday if you're headed out to the stores to do some shopping. Taking a look right now at the Bismarck and Mandan Skycam, you can see not a lot of issues with the fog out there. In fact, you can see the horizon there pretty clearly out there. So really not dealing with a lot of the fog this morning like you were this time yesterday. Right now in the Bismarck-Mandan area, you're waking up to a temperature of 28 degrees with humidity of 96%. So it's actually not too chilly out there this morning. In terms of that dense fog advisory, National Weather Service just eliminating the handful of counties to the east that dense fog advisory was under. So the whole area now does not have to worry about fog for a good portion of the morning. As you can see, most areas, the visibility not an issue. Mobridge, the exception there, just 7 miles visibility. Even that isn't too bad as you head out the door this morning. Meanwhile, temperatures are in the lower 30s across a good section of the area. Minot, you're the warm spot at 36 degrees. Harvey, the cool spot at 30 degrees. Actually, Bismarck's the cool spot at 28 degrees. So temperatures aren't too bad as you head out the door this morning. They're actually quite warmer than they were at this time yesterday. Hettinger, you're 13 degrees warmer than at this point on Thanksgiving morning, 12 degrees warmer in Williston, and 6 degrees warmer to our friends in Minot. So what can we expect here for the upcoming weekend? Well, first we got to get through that fog, which most places have already dealt with. It's already gone for the morning. And then we will see a little bit of snow as some precipitation develops around an area of high pressure tomorrow. We'll touch on that in a second. And then we'll also talk about a much colder start to your work week on Monday. Here is Precision Cast now, and you'll see as we put this into motion, there's a little bit of that snow developing early in the morning hours on Saturday as you're sleeping. And then as you wake up, the snow will fill in. I think mostly western sections have the best shot at seeing that snow as it'll be developing around an area of high pressure that'll be sliding by. Not a lot of accumulation with this. It'll be fast moving. It'll be through the area relatively quickly. You can see here a trace to an inch. I think an inch is being extremely generous with those accumulation totals. 41 degrees your high today in Bismarck and Dickinson with that morning fog dissipating. West winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. A little bit chillier in Minot, 38 degrees with those light winds as well. Highs elsewhere across the region will be in the mid-40s. Maybe somebody to the southeast flirts with the 50-degree mark, but temperatures further to the north will be cooler, mostly in the lower 40s, upper and mid-30s to sections to the northeast. Lows tonight will dip into the lower 20s. Bismarck and Dickinson, you will fall to 23 degrees with those light winds. Meanwhile, in Minot and Williston, 21 degrees your expected low tonight. As for your extended forecast right now, you can see there's that snow chance tomorrow morning, and then the rest of the weekend turns out pretty nice, and then the next chance for snow moves in Tuesday night into Wednesday. Cold temperatures develop, highs only in the lower 20s. It will be even colder in Minot and Williston, where temperatures will be in the upper teens, especially on Monday. And Tim, look at those overnight lows, stuck in the single digits.
All right.